Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, bringing you another quote to help try and kickstart your day. And here are your words of wisdom. Don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try. So come on, what are you scared of? What are you so afraid of that you can't try and even attempt? Is it the thought of failing? People judging you? Thinking that you just aren't good enough for anyone? What you should actually be afraid of is actually not even giving it a go. Don't make this another regret, because look, you only have one life, so why not go and do something with it? Good luck.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.